Today we have to discuss about the topic is gingival cyst of adult in cystic tumor. It is a uncommon developmental odontogenic cyst of gingival soft tissue. Why it is called as odontogenic cyst? The odontogenic cyst is nothing but it is derived from the dental forming cells. So it is called as odontogenic cyst. The dental forming cells like Hardwick epithelial root sheath, dental lamina, etc. So these cells leads to the formation of this kind of cyst. It is occur in either free or attached gingiva. It is the common site of the gingival cyst of adult. The possible source are heterotrophic glandular tissue or degenerative changes in the proliferating epithelial plug or the dental organs. The remnants of dental lamina or Hardwick epithelial root sheath and traumatic implantation of epithelium is the most common and widely accepted form of gingival cyst. Because these two, the dental lamina and Hardwick epithelial root sheath, theoretically proven, but other three are not proved theoretically. So these two are most widely acceptable. What is dental lamina? The dental lamina is nothing but it is above the tooth, but after the tooth eruption it will later disappear. But in this case the dental lamina is prolonged lead to the formation of cyst. And Hardwick epithelial root sheath is nothing but a compartment of Hardwick epithelial root sheath is get separated from the root portion and filled with symptom like materials and lead to the formation of root. And the Hardwick epithelial, the compartment of Hardwick epithelial root sheath get disappear. But in this case, this Hardwick epithelial root sheath, compartment of the Hardwick epithelial root sheath does not get disappear and prolonged, leads to the formation of cyst. It is considered as lateral periodontal cyst because it is look like morphologically, anatomically, and age prediction like it is look like a lateral periodontal cyst variety, that is Botrytis cyst. So it is considered as a Botrytis cyst. It is mostly derived from the dental lamina. Finally, Butcher and Hansen suggested that it is not derived from this kind of cyst. It is derived from the dental lamina cyst of newborn. This dental lamina cyst of newborn get prolonged leads to the formation of this kind of gingival cyst of adult. What is dental lamina cyst of newborn? The dental lamina cyst of newborn is nothing but in this kind of cyst is present in the infant's gingiva, infant's alveolar ridge. It will rupture and later disappear, but sometimes it not get rupture and leads to the formation of this kind of gingival cyst of adult. At the same time, histologically, the cyst is filled with orthokeratin materials like gingival cyst of newborn. Clinically, it occurs at any age. It is most common in the adult, and location is it is the lateral part of the root. At the same time, it is well circumscribed and painless swelling of the gingiva. Sometimes it is 1 centimeter. It is also seen in interdental papilla, that is papilla, gingival papilla. Radiographically, it is a soft tissue lesion, so not visible in the radiograph, but lateral periodontal cyst will be seen in this case, that is lateral periodontal cyst will be seen, that radiolucency will be appear. Histologically, it is identical to lateral periodontal cyst. The epithelial ranges is thickened from several flattened cells. At the same time, glycogen rich clear cells also present in the epithelial lining epithelial cells, and also seen in the connective tissues, glycogen rich clear cells. It is very identical to the gingival cyst of adult, is identical to the lateral periodontal cyst. The focal thickening or plaque found in the lining. This the focal thickening or plaque is formed in the lining. This is the focal thickening. It is unicystic or polycystic. It is lies in the connective tissue gingiva, that is the gingival connective tissues, may or may not exhibit inflammatory reaction. In traumatic or implantation type, the gingival cyst, it is calcification or ectopic ossification is seen in the cystic lesions, because these lesions is sometimes if it is due to that gingival, it is due to that traumatic implantation that leads to that ossification, or sometimes that calcification also occur in this cyst. In this treatment, local surgical excision of the lesion is the only treatment. The lesions do not reoccur. Thank you.